Good morning, dear class 1 students. Welcome back to maths class. Children, in today's class, we are going to complete the exercise number in between from page number 44. Children, in yesterday's live class and video classes, we have completed this exercise number before, okay, from page number 42 and number after from page number 43. We have completed all these exercises. Yesterday I have explained you these exercises on the blackboard now. Okay. Now today we will do this exercise number in between. Between means beech mein. In this exercise we will find out the between number. Understand? Look at this. 49-50. What is the number in between 49 and 51? 49 and 51 के बीच का नंबर क्या है? 5050. In counting 49, 50, 51. This is forward counting. Okay. Next 90-92. The between number of 90 and 92 is 91. 75-77. The between number of 75 and 77 is 76. In counting 75, 76, 77. Okay. फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग में नंबर्स प्रॉपरली वन बाय वन कॉन्सिक्यूटिव नंबर्स आना चाहिए आफ्टर फिलिंग द ब्लैंक. नाउ कम टू द एक्सरसाइज. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद द नंबर इन बिटवीन. नीचे दिया गया ब्लैंक्स को फिल करने के लिए पूछा गया है. सो हियर मिडिल नंबर इज स्किप्ड. मिडिल नंबर को छोड़ दिए हैं. मिडिल मीन्स बिटवीन नंबर. वन हैज बीन डन फॉर यू. 36-38 इज इक्वल 36-38. So what is the between number of 36 and 38? 37. 89-91. Children, here very simple method. Okay, you just find out the after number. That's all. After 89, the number is 90. That's all. 89, 90, 91. Oh, so the between number of 89 and 91 is 90. Between 58 and 60, what is the number? After 58, 59. That's all. 58, 59, 60. Okay, children, in this way, complete all these blanks. Okay, fill all these blanks. Next, come to the next exercise. Numbers before and after. In this, you have to pay more and more attention. Look at this. Here, same sum में before number and after number दोनों simultaneously find करने के लिए पूछा गया है. Look at this. Dash, 57 dash. So, what is the before number of 57? 57 का before number. What is the 57 का before number? 56. After 56, 57. After 57, 58. That's all. Okay. So first you pay attention on the before number. Okay. Before number के लिए backward counting होता है. Before 57, 56. In the same way, first here a small tip. First you can find out after number. After 99, 100. Okay. So before 199, before 99, the number is 98. Okay, in this way also you can find out the before and after numbers. So before 69, the number is 68. After 69, the number is 70. In counting 68, 69, 70. So this sum is correct. Before 48, the number is 47. After 48, the number is 49. Okay. 47, 48, 49. Next, before 80. What is the number before 80? You can find out the after number first. After 80, 81. Before 81, 80. Before 80, 79. Okay, children. इस तरह आप rest of the sums complete करेंगे. Now, come to the next exercise. See the patterns and fill in the blanks. Again, see the examples. Okay, here some patterns are given. We will read the pattern, read the numbers and understand the pattern. Look at this. 51, 53, 55, 57. Children, have you observed here one number is skipped. Skipped means छोड़ा गया है. Look at this. After 51, 52 is not there, 53. After 53, 54 is not there, 55. It means ये numbers के बीच में एक number को skip कर दिए थे, छोड़ दिए थे. Okay? 51, 52 is skipped, 53. 54 is skipped, 55. 56 is skipped, 57. 58 को छोड़ा गया है, 59. Then 60 को छोड़ दिए, 61, 62 को छोड़ दिया 63, 64 को छोड़ दिया 65, 66 को छोड़ दिया 67, 68 को छोड़ दिया 69। चिल्ड्रन ऐसे डॉट लिखेंगे तो आप लोग के लिए ईजी हो जाएगी। जो जो नंबर्स को स्किप करते हैं ना, उस नंबर इसमें आप काउंट कर सकते हैं। ओके, लुक एट दिस। 50, 51 को स्किप करनी है 52, आफ्टर 52 स्किप 53, 54, आफ्टर 54 स्किप 55, देन 56। इस पैटर्न में एक एक नंबर को छोड़ना है, दिस वन, दिस वन, दिस वन, दिस वन, दिस वन। ओके, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 5 रोज में ओनली सिंगल नंबर आपको छोड़ना है, स्किप करेंगे। आफ्टर 56 लीव 57, राइट 58, आफ्टर 58 लीव 59 एंड 60, आफ्टर 60 skip 61, write 62, after 62 skip 63, write 64, after 64 skip 65 and write 66, after 66 skip 67 and write 68. This is called skip counting. इसको skip counting कहा जाता है। Understand children? Now, okay, in the third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, you just leave one number and complete all these boxes and come to the sixth one. 60, 58, 56. It means this is in backward counting. Have you observed? ये सब देखो 61, 62, 63, 64, 65 फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग में है। 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75 फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग। 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86 फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग। 46, 47, 48, 49, 50 forward counting. Look at this. 60, 58, 56. This is in backward counting. Understand? Before 60, what is the number? 59. 59 is skipped. Okay? Before 59, 58. Before 58, 57 is skipped. Before 57, 56. Before 56, 55 is skipped. Right? 54. Before 54, 53 is skipped. Right? 52. Before 52, 51 is skipped. Right? 50. Okay? Before 50, 49 is skipped, right? 48. Before 48, 47 is skipped, right? 46. Before 46, skip 45 and write 44. Skip 43, write 42. This is backward counting. Okay, children. Now come to the next row. This is in this pattern. Nearly 4 numbers are skipped. Okay, how many numbers? How do we know how many numbers are skipped? You just count it. 50. After 50. 51, 52, 53, 54. How many numbers are skipped? 4 numbers. Write 4 here. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. 4 numbers are skipped. Then 5th number is written. After 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. 4 numbers are skipped. 60. Okay children? 4 numbers को skip करेंगे. After 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. Then write 65. And one more method is there, tip is there. 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. This is easy method. Means here 4 numbers skip करते हुए 50, 55, 60, 60 only 0 से number end होता है. First number, second number 5 से end होता है. Understand? Next here 10 numbers. 10, 20, 30, then 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. This is easy na? You just observe the pattern and here look at this. This is backward counting of tens. 10. All the numbers are ending with 0. Okay? Look at this. 100, 90, 80. Backward counting. Before 80, 70. Before 70, 60. Before 60, 50. Before 50, 40. Before 40, 30. Before 30, 20. Before 20, 10. Okay children, this is the exercise. Please observe the pattern. Pattern बहुत अच्छा से जिस क्या एग्जाम्पल दिए हैं, ओके क्या एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करने के लिए दिए हैं, फिल करने के लिए दिए हैं, उस एग्जाम्पल को अच्छे से ऑब्जर्व करेंगे, देन ओनली यू विल कंप्लीट दिस एक्सरसाइज. ओके चिल्ड्रन, practice it and learn different patterns. Okay children, till then take care.